Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Ooh, listen, guys, I brought y'all out here late, but I've been out here since early this morning. Yeah, but today, guys, I want to share with you how I how I plant some leeks that I dropped in a small container, and now I'm gonna put them in the ground. Yeah. Also, what else am I doing? I clean out a pepper bed for my peppers. Yes, I'm getting ready to put those peppers in a bed. Also, I'm sharing with you some wildlife I see from time to time here in my Zone 9 garden. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So I want to share these here little tools here. These little tools is a little Henrik and a little hoe. So at the end of the season, one of these years, gardening season, at Dollar General, they sold these, and they were like 30 cents a piece. Yeah, I shared it with you all, so it's in the video. Sure, it's in the video up there somewhere. But this is some soil, some chicken manure, some. I didn't put any bone meal, blood meal in here. Just chicken manure, black cow, and that's it. But today, this is for my pepper bed. This is for the pepper bed. And so I'm going to be just fertilizing all of these pepper beds today, just like this. And this evening, when the sun goes down, I'm going to put some of my little pepper seedlings in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in here and have them going. Also, the and I think it was azomite, maybe not azomite, perlite, azomite, maybe it was azomite that Terp said with my dahlias. Yep, I put them in that soil and I used them. Yeah, you're gonna make sure everything is used. But anyway, thank you, Terp. Thank you, man. Yeah, and I didn't have any either, so that's really cool. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just give this bed some super juice and have it sitting and waiting for me for this evening. I'm gonna do this side also, just like that. And of course, this plant here, I'm gonna take it up and put it in a container. But of course, big baby, I'm gonna let her stay. And I'm gonna just give her some 511 and super juice and let her just continuously do her thing. Do your thing, baby. Do your thing. So now, I want to get my leeks and get them all planted up. Let's do that, y'all. Let's do that. 7 a.m. in the morning. Check that out. That's a radish. Yeah, but I seen another one over here. Oh yeah, it's a radish. Oh. Hey now, hey. All right, so This is some leeks I have over here. So I'm just going to take them up. Now I know some of you may say, but they so small. Yeah, I know. But they are strong. They will do well. Yeah, they will do well. Alright, so I'm going to take them up. And then we're going to put them over in the middle of the Katrina Leeks. That's where they're going to grow. I think they will grow best over there. So definitely they could get some size on them. And I wanted to put them around the beds, but they won't be able to grow up to their full potential like that. So even though I may be helping the peppers and the tomatoes by having them there, I may put one or two over there because I'm helping the peppers and tomatoes, but I'm doing the injustice to the leek. So I want to do right by all of them. So I'm going to give them their own space. I do have more leeks in another container, so I'm going to put them all over there. And these Alaskan, I think, kale, I'm going to put them in a grow bag. This is for Jody because I'm not a big fan of this vegetable, but I have someone who loves it. Loves it, yeah. So, let me share this with you before I leave this area. Check it out. Look at her, y'all. She blooming this morning. Let's see if I can get her right. There she goes. She have little specks of red in her flower every now and then. She's beautiful. There's another one. Yep. Oh boy. Yeah. I have corn coming up too. You probably can't see it, but let's see if I can point out one of them for you. It's there over there. You see that one? Right there. That's corn. That's corn. But there's many of them just like that. But let's go plant these leeks. Ooh. Almost like if there's a hammerhead somewhere, there is a hammerhead somewhere. You can see this worm is running. And the reason he's running is because of a hammerhead. And the hammerhead is in here. I saw his head. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's him. This is weird. But, so let me tell you about a hammerhead. A hammerhead eat worms. see that worm get up and get out of there like that, you know that he was being chased. He was being chased. So that's the worm body sticking out the ground right there. But he's coming. He's coming. Oh, there's another worm coming somewhere. There's another worm. He's probably running from the hammerhead also. So the hammerhead's body is very, very sticky, slimy. So this is why they run. I guess slither, not run, but they slither away so fast because they don't want the hammerhead to touch them, because once the hammerhead touch them, then the hammerhead can put them in his grip. And then what he do? He eat them. That's nature. That is nature. That's a hammerhead right there. You see him right there? He's sliding against the wall. That's his head. You see his head? Yeah, that's what had those worms running this morning. That's his head. The hammerhead is hungry this morning. And that's, yep, he had worms running. And so this is his body. He's so long. Look, there's the worm right there. Okay. He's going towards the hammerhead. And look, he wasn't in here. Oh my. It's almost like he hit him or something. The worm, he's leaving, and the hammerhead, he's going back the other way. See, a hammerhead is really, really long. They're long like a snake, man. And they're long and sticky. Yeah, they are the worm eaters. Look at that head on him. This poor little worm, oh my God, it's like he's going crazy. He getting the hell up. He said, this is just, I don't want to be in here. Wow, he jumped out of the thing. God. Oh my. Hammerhead ruling things over here. Oh boy. That's the hammerhead, y'all. And that is my morning. It's 7:30 a.m. and that's what's going on. So this is some green onions that I have. I'm gonna take them in, clean them up, chop them up, put them in the freezer for when I get ready to prepare something to eat, which I want to cook some melatones that I have. Stuffed melatones, yeah, baby. Maybe that'll go with my Monday meal. We'll see. Yeah, maybe Sunday meal. All right, guys. It's at the end of the day. Well, it's not the end of the day, but it is lunchtime. So I'm going to get my lunch, and I'm going to call it a day for another couple of hours. But when I come back, yeah, the first thing I'm going to work on is getting this bed together so I can get these, the corn ready for me to drop them back here. And this will be my peaches and cream over here. Yep. So, we're going to call it a day. But anyway, I hope you all have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful weekend. Yeah. I'm going to chill out for the rest of the day, at least for a little while. I'm gonna go in and get me a shower and find a movie to look at. Yeah, I seen on one of those channels I have, they have Hoodlum and with Lawrence Fishburne. I like that with Lawrence Fishburne and Cicely Tyson. Yeah, let's go see some Hoodlum. All right, guys, y'all have a great day. Later, y'all.